Did you know your spice rack holds secrets to better health? Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of star anise and clove, two Asian spices that can transform your wellness routine. Star anise isn't just a pretty spice, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. It's rich in shikimic acid, a key ingredient in antiviral medications. This makes it a natural ally for strengthening your immune system and fighting off colds and flu. Try adding a couple of star anise pods to boiling water for a soothing tea. It helps with digestion, relieves coughs, and support respiratory health. Cloves are tiny but mighty. They are loaded with eugenol, a compound with antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves can help reduce pain, support digestion, and even freshen your breath. To make clove tea, steep 4 to 5 cloves in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a dash of honey for sweetness. This tea is perfect for soothing sore throats and boosting immunity. When combined, star anise and clove create a flavorful and health-packed infusion. Together, they offer a natural remedy for colds, flu, and digestive issues while enhancing your overall well-being. These humble spices have been used for centuries, and their benefits are as powerful today as ever. Add star anise and clove to your daily routine and let nature support your health journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more tips on holistic living from Mindful Zen Nation.